Alexa, stop. Hey guys, can't get it in frame. Oh my gosh, I can't film. Sorry. Okay, that should be good. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mia. As you know, my lighting's not very good today, but it's about to get a whole lot better. Oh dang it! I forgot to put cover up all of my information. I'm gonna do that really fast. Beer pack. Okay guys, so I attempted to cover up the label. You can still kind of see it. I'm putting it right here. Today I'm doing an unboxing, which I've already opened this box. Just pretend I didn't. Of this project. Ring Fill Light Stand. This is not sponsored, by the way. So, the light, I will tell y'all the brand later, and I'll put some links in the description. First thing I will show y'all is all the tripods they gave me, or that I bought. So I have Prime, so I got like a really good deal. Okay. So we have a vlogging tripod. You can make it like this big, or like this big, or like this. You can be like, hey guys. And they gave us a phone attachment, so it's just like that. And then we have a car attachment for when you're in the car. You just stretch that out, put it back in. Next we have kind of this. It's kind of weird, I guess. It like makes it taller and stuff. So that's that one. You like do this and stuff. I don't know really. And then we have this one. That was odd. So you unfold it. It's like huge, but it's so small. Okay, it's gonna be hard to show, but I will try my best. It gets super tall. Like, it's kind of like broken right now because it used to go like all the way up here, but like it won't raise for some reason. I think I might have tightened it, and I don't know what I did. If you have any idea why, please tell me. Oopsies. Let me fix that. Oh no! Get back on there. Terrible. I'm gonna fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I fixed it as much as I could. As you can see, it is very tall. It gets taller. Just, it would be way out of frame if I did that. And I forgot how to do it. Because, like I did it earlier, but for some reason it's not working now. So it's super, super tall. And it comes like a little thing on the top, so you have to unscrew it. That really got me confused. And then you just get the little phone connector, and you can connect it like this, actually, if you want. If somebody's like, ugh. Or you can connect it like, where is it? Like this. And you just screw it on, as you know. And you have to tighten this, so I'm gonna just screw this back on, and I'll put y'all on the tripod so it's way easier to see. And then I'll show you the ring light. Be right back. Okay, so now y'all are on the tripod. So now let's start reviewing, I guess, the ring light. And it also comes with all this stuff. I haven't totally set it all up yet, but it does come with this little button pushy thing right here. And it's how you start, like, you take a picture or start recording. So there is the camera. It's for the Apple, the iOS. And this one is for Android. And then you just like attach it to something. That has a little on and off button on the side. It's still in the bag right now. I'll be setting that up sometime soon. And I also watched the ring light. The ring light is not too big, but for like a starter YouTuber, it's like perfect size. So this is what it looks like. It's like a necklace or something. I'm gonna plug it in. Let's see if this, and it's a really long cable. Let's plug it in. Okay. So this is it off. This is like what I look like when it's off. And then it has like a bunch of different settings. So let's turn it on. Oh, I look brighter. So this is the yellowish version. As you can see, it looks really bright. So I can turn the light down a little bit. Like this, and it looks really good. And then I can press another button, and it'll turn yellowish white. As you can see, it's still pretty light, so I can do this. Turn it down as much as I need to, turn it up as much as I need to. And then, here's the last setting. It's like pearly white. It looks blue almost. That's really bright. Okay, I think I will mostly be using this one, like around this stage. I haven't really connected it right. I just put it up there like that, but it looks so good. I'll put a before clip without the tripod and everything. And as you saw in the beginning, my phone falls a lot because I like prop it against the window. So this will help me a lot. And like it comes with this car thing. And it was only $25 for me because I have Prime. I would definitely recommend using Prime. I'm looking at this. I'm still trying to figure out how you connect like the little thing. Sorry, people are honking. I'm trying to figure out how to actually put this up properly, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I set up the ring light. It took me a little while because I thought I had to use this piece. Turned out I didn't. It's just a backup piece, so that the tripod that I showed you, that's like the bendy one. That's not this one. This one. That one is actually for the ring light. So I finally figured it out, and this is what it looks like after. I can make it like I can like blue if I wanted, and I can turn it up really high. But we don't do that. And then I can make it yellow. Looks like my old videos, like my private videos. Oh god, that's terrible. I prefer to use, I don't know, okay, this one. Turn it down to, I turn it right here-ish, and it looks really good in my opinion. I'm gonna turn off all the lights, see what it looks like. Oh, it's super bright. So from like this, I look crazy. Like, focus. It's like all the lights are still on me. What if it looks like if I turn it here? Now it looks kind of really cool. What it looks like when I'm yellow. Let's see, and switch. If I'm filming a nighttime video, I'll probably have it. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know. Probably on this setting, maybe a little bit lighter. Oops, sorry. My face is like white. Yeah, probably like this, but then when the ring light is off, it looks dark and dead. And focus on my face. Oh my gosh, ring light. Look kind of crazy, y'all. There we go. There we go. Let's turn the lights back on. I still like having light on. Just usually my lighting is really bad. Like it looks like this. And this looks a lot better. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications to get a notification every time I film a new video. We will probably be doing lots more vlogs with this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Adios. I'll put a link for all this stuff in the description. Adios if I can find it.
I don't know. Well, you'll see. Look in the description. There might be some stuff. I don't know. Adios. Adios.